Hi everyone, this is Emma Kim. Today, today I will tell you about the Cisco Catalyst 9800 Wi-Fi status map, especially featuring channel utilization. At the field, as a account SE, I have big issues of Wi-Fi at the customer site. There was just one building, and from second floor to ninth floor, there was about 130 APs access point. But there is a huge channel utilization, so I have to troubleshoot the channel utilizations. It was very rare to about handling channel utilization. To handle about that, I need such information channel. Each the channel of the AP's channel and the power level and the number of client and the channel utilization and RX channel utilization and TX channel utilization. I will call just the RX and TX and the interference. So I have to get this information of every 130 APs. Is impossible to get the information at once. Even there is a data center, I have to write down each information, or at the WSC I have to do many commands each time. Or also, if I got this information in the map, it will be very easy for me. I mean, it will help me pretty much to troubleshoot. So I decide make a Python code to get this one. So what I did is like this. I drew the map. At the map, this is channel. The first one is channel information, 116 and 120, and 3 is power level of each AP. As you know, Cisco AP has the power level from 1 to 8, and 0 is the client of each AP. The client attached to each AP, and 31 is channel utilization, and 0 is the RX, and 7 is the 2X, and 33 is interference. As you see, this AP, 16 AP at the ninth floor, it uses channel 116 and 120 and power 3, and but no client is attached. But it the interference is 33 and TX is 3. I don't know why there are 7% TX. But anyway, so it's 41%, so the total channel utilization. And as you see, 116 and 120 here, and here, and here, and here, and here. Crazy. So maybe 16 and 14 and 14 and 13 and 13 and number 9, number 4, and what is that? Number 16 and number 4. Each AP has some interference relationship, I think. This is really bad channel assignment. Actually, this building has some data the problems, but anyway, by this map, I have to inside. Wow, really bad channel assignment. Also, the channel number 100 and 104, 104 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. So each has some a very bad relationship. But here is it's okay, it's reasonable. But as you see, number 2 and number 3 and near AP is like it should have very bad interferences. So I need a map. Also, this is average numbers, the power, the AP power level, and client, and CU channel utilization, and RX to X interferences. So this is 2023. Then May 13 and 2 p.m. 2 2 hour and 34 minute. 2:34 is status. So average. So CU is about wow. It's about over 50. So I think it's a problem. So interference is very high. It's about 30 or 20. So it's something wrong, I think. But anyway, so how to monitor this one is there is DNS center and WSC, especially WSC shows its information very well, but there is no like no documentation. But the DNS center is like a time based like a dashboard, is it? So actually DNS center is very very nice. So it's very essential. It's mandatory to the when you use Cisco wireless systems. But but what I need is the five things: is channel, AP level, and the client, and CU RxTX interferences. But it needs huge time to analysis this. So, but I have no time, and there are many should take wireless files. So how can do that? So I decided to make this code. So don't forget about this one, this formula. So channel rotation is RxTX and interferences. It's pretty important. So I will show a demonstration first. So okay, so if go there, and first thing is you have to put the I will show a demonstration first. Anyway, this is the gathering information from Showtech file and put into the SQLite database. Then I can get the average. So this average means, so at the June 5 and the 11:39 in the morning, the CU is wow too high. CU is very high, about 70 and 80, and the interference is about 30 and 40 like that, very high. And if you put the number to 30, it make a draw the map on the this folder, this directory. Wow, something wrong. Python. Oh, sorry about that. This is in unbalance between my right and left fingers. All right, you read the database and you drew the map like that. Okay, you don't need to do everything. Well, how to get the information from Showtech is very simple. These 5 things are what I need: the channel number, and AP power and client, and channel utilization. Here, it show AP.11 5 gig and load information, channel utilization, and the client is over there. Always the AP name is unique key. So and show AP.11 5 gig summary. We can get the channel information. Also AP power is over there. And the other things are XTX interferences. It is located on the this one, AP auto radio profile, .11 5 gig. It's very huge the command. And here AP name and RX 2X is over there. So I can calculate interferences. So I can get these 7 things from Showtech file. Simple. Before we do that, you have to put let's remove these ones. Hold on. This Showtech files. Delete. Before do that, you have to put the Showtech wireless on this folder. Alright? Oh, you need a huge time to load. All right, it's really just should take wireless. Should take wireless. I mean, why? Where is it wireless? Oh my God! Sorry about that. Mm, should take wireless is it's mandatory, and we need a floor map based like images like that. This is second floor. This is third floor with AP location, and we need a location text file. It's about the floor AP number and XY location for the put the channel numbers. So it's very easy. We can make it. And okay, then it's very simple. So 2010, 210 is it's to insert the stats into the database. It has made with four modules. The first module is to get the numbers from because the show tag is very large. With the show command, it detects which number is start and end point of the previous the told the show command like show AP blah 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 like that. And 782 is file maker. It make a file such as AP text and load info text and summary. So it extracts the each the show command from the shortcut wireless. And but especially because the AP information is very large, it extracts from some information from the file and it make AP2 that text file from AP file. And finally, number 786, it insert this data into SQLite 3 database from AP2 load info and summary. That's it. This is the end of database. And 220 is the one you see already. It's like it make a calculate the average of floor like channel utilization and the interferences, RTX, blah blah things. And 230 is draw the map. Let's see one by one. All right. So as you see, 210 is it. It's first it do the ls with the log. So it detects every log file on this folder. This folder with just two should take wireless logs over there and put into each one this here and this here is module number like a set 280 780 78246. That's it, very simple. Let's go to the module 280. 280 here it this file is to detect the start line and end line of this show command at the show take wireless files. Actually, this is start of load info. This is end of load info. Summary start, summary end, AP start, AP end, and I is line number. Whenever I make a module, I usually make it the executable independently because I have to the debugging. So this is the same. So if I run this file do job with this one. Okay. So let's see what we'll do. What this file will do. The definition 880 780. Okay. It with this file the May 30 it detect the start and start and start end. All right. And 782 is it make a file really. So from show tag, it extract the files. Especially at this here, line cache is used. Line cache read whole file, and whenever I need a number, each line, it read and write very fast. But I need a huge time, but no problem. But this file is also executable independently. So when I learn the file, all right, the phase 282. Here is no files. If I run this file, it makes some files over here. AP file has AP name and RX text, and load info is AP name and this is a channel illustration. It is client, and summary has channel and the power level. So I need this information, but this AP file is very hard to read next time. So I have to do one thing more. 284. 784 make AP2 file. AP2 file is more like easy to read. AP name and blah 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 blah. This is RX text interferences. All right, and 786 is it read his file. These 3 files in it read this summary, load info, AP2 files, and insert into database. So SQLite is a Python embedded a kind of very simple database, and just create a table. We make like a one file, one database has many tables, but table name is just a simply, and it put into database some things like that, like insert and update. Insert, so AP name, channel number, and power, and here it insert the client and CU channel affiliation, and finally insert RX text interferences. Let's do it. Also, it has a main, so it can work very independently. Seven 76. All right. Right now there is a kind of database. Let's go into database. CD SQLite 3 and hold on. Database and SQLite 3 database. All right. So and tables, and table A is over there. And for you, I will turn on the header and the module column and column, and select everything from table A. Then it shows like that. So you can just copy, and you can go to Excel if needed. Then you can copy and paste and the data, and you can like columns, then you can like calculate again. All right, and all right, go exit, and all right, I will delete everything except logs. All right, so let's run this one. 210 is just combination of 280, 780, 782, 46. So, all right, go to it combination of 4 modules. So right now there is a database is over there. Database. And 220 is So it's just like it's just the average function on the SQLite 3. Very easy and simple, and this is what I need. All right, so it reads every database and shows the average per each flower. This is flower number. So from 9 flower at May 30. Oh, average is 45. Good. But June 5 and 9th flower 83. 83 is unbelievable. So actually it's almost full. So no one can communicate using AP. And 51. Wow. And finally, let's draw the map. 230. 230 is the pill is used. I don't know what is pill. Just I search the internet and Python image and writing a letter. And I just read some the blogs, some to use that one. Then it's very simple. To use image, just open and color, font, size, and font to, and you can draw the map. You can put the location, and finally you can write down some whatever you need to text. And finally you can save the file. It's very easy. All right, so automatically it read the database and drew the map. Here this folder has located. All right, so if I click this one, all right, second floor at the May 30. Wow. And third floor and blah blah, ninth floor, blah blah. Oh, eighth floor, ninth floor, and it work automatically. Then you can have a tea, you can have a coffee, you can smoke, whatever you want. uh, Actually, I had trouble. As I told you, I have a trouble at the customer site. So I need some tool to analyze this informations. So I spent some time to make this code, and this code works very well. With this code result, I came to have the insight about the channel retriations, and finally, so I did troubleshoot successfully, and I thank you. I very thank you to myself because I did make this code, especially for the radio issues. No one can help me. Even Cisco's tag and Cisco Wi-Fi engineers over there, but Wi-Fi is not a Cisco issues. So it's 100% customer issues. So to analysis, the RF is very important. And even though there is RF issues and whatever over there, so with the Python, you can do it everything. You can visualize, you can analysis, you can use the numbers from the WSC, and it's very nice to make a code using Python. So it will help me pretty much every time. Okay, thank you for watching. This is Kim. Bye bye.